So many of us have certain goals in our life, and those goals, what happens is, for one form or other, certain obstacles you think that they are before you could reach your goals. So today, after the session, just you can invest 5 minutes and then write down the goals which you have for the rest of the 3 months in this year for 2024. What were your goals when you started on January 1st, 2024? And write those goals first. The second step is, for each goal, find out at least 8 obstacles which you feel are preventing you from reaching that goal. First is, write down the goals which you had envisaged for yourself for 2024. So we have 3 more months, max 4 months to go. Then for each of the goal, write down minimum 8 obstacles according to you are preventing from reaching that goal. So this is where the role of Vigna Karta and Vigna Harta comes in. So today when you do the prayers, you can read these goals sitting before Ganesha, and then you can also list down the obstacles as per your understanding. Thus, obstacles are nothing but, first, they are of our own origin, mind origin, which may be real, which may not be real. Second, the one who can place the obstacles is the one who can remove the obstacles. So in a deeper sense, you have placed those obstacles, you only can remove those obstacles. But in a spiritual sense, you can project that energy as Ganesha and then ask him to help you remove these obstacles. So Vigna Karta, Vigna Harta. This is the first thing which we can do. The second aspect which we have to understand is that earth element is associated with Ganesha, and earth element is the grossest of the 5 elements available to us. And the next element to that is water. So today Ganeshas will be done with clay, the earth and water. In olden days, this was happening every year they did, and they, at the end of 5th or 10th day, they went and dissolved this in the nearby ponds, rivers, and water bodies. This prevented soil erosion, technically speaking. And every year also is a great opportunity to understand that which is unmanifest has to go back to the unmanifest stage. Before the creation of Ganesha using the earth and water element, there was nothing, right? Meaning there is no form there. So we worship the form so that we can appreciate the divine in form, very difficult to appreciate in the abstract. And once we reach the stage of realization, that form dissolves in the infinite. So this conceptual understanding we need to have why we worship Ganesha. If we don't have the conceptual understanding, we are technically doing a disservice to our culture and tradition. Then this entire event will become just a ritual, which will not become spiritual. When a ritual becomes spiritual is when we understand the basic of why I do this ritual. When we do that, we reach out to the spirit in that ritual, then it becomes spiritual. So this is a very important takeaway every year when we do Ganesha festival. To summarize, after the session, kindly invest 5 minutes, write down the goals which you had envisaged for 2024. Now we are in the 9th month. Till 31st December 2024, what was in your mind, write it down. Next, think and write minimum 8 obstacles for each of these goals. Then you pray to Ganesha because he has helped us to discover not only the goals but also the obstacles. And remind him that you are the Vigna Karta and Vigna Harta, and he is only a dispenser. Ultimately, it is our own karma coming out and playing out in action in the day-to-day life. So we are humbly seeking his blessings and guidance. Thereby, we get insights to handle these goals and find out ways to decimate these obstacles. Many times these obstacles are placed before us to understand our own inner strengths. So it's a great time to introspect, reflect, and take action. Okay. So thank you very much. Please have this in mind when you are praying to Ganesha today. Thank you.